Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 32 of our challenge, Add to Your Existing Story. In this challenge, you will learn how to add more pieces to your story throughout the day. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right. The beauty of a story is that it is just that, a story. You can easily show steps in a process like a makeover, before and after photos, or different spots in your adventure of the day. And you don't have to do it all at once. So you don't have to take all the photos throughout the day and post at once. You can actually take them and post them as they happen. However, the story only lasts 24 hours, so you have to be quick to get it up, and your clients and viewers and followers have to be quick to see it. So let's get started adding. There's going to be a couple of quick clicks here, so I'm going to go over it a couple of times. You're going to click your profile picture. You'll notice this is the big one in the top left. You'll notice there's no blue plus sign by it this time, so you're going to tap that. And then you'll see in the top left of the screen that opens, which is your story screen, there's another smaller profile picture with the blue plus sign. So we're going to tap the big one, and then we're going to tap the small one. So tap the big one, tap the small one, and hello, there we are again. So it will open your camera right away, or you can go to your camera roll and choose something fun to add to your story. I'm just going to add a couple of filters. Let's do something. Let's see what that is. Some extra sparkles. That's the one I want. I want to add some extra glitter there. All right, so I've got some glitter. Let's see if there's a sticker. Nothing super fun here that I was looking for. I can search for something else. So you can see there's lots of options in here. All right, so let's say that's what I want to post. So we added our new piece for our story. So we've tapped our profile image, opened our same options that we had access to in days 30 and 31 of our challenge. So if you want to go over again what all those different icons do and see how, a review of how to add these fun filters that I did, go check out days 30 and 31 again. And then we created our next image or video. So I chose to go with the image. And then you're just going to tap that Your Story or Stories button in the bottom left when you're ready to show it to all of your followers. And then in the comments below, let me know what your story is about. Is it about your day? Are you going to talk about some sort of makeover, maybe staging before and after photos, or a DIY project, or something else? And that's it. That's how you add to your story. So it's once you get to the camera again, it's exactly the same process as when you're creating your story from scratch. So that's going to conclude our training for the day. Remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge. I'll see you then.